So today I'll explain you how to SEO your channel, brand channel. Yesterday I explained you how to make your brand channel on YouTube. So today we will SEO our channel, brand our channel, and some setting we have to fix in our brand channel. So first of all, you have to log in your channel. Right? So when you log in your channel on YouTube, so you have to visit here your channel, and after that two option will show you: channel, customize channel, and manage video. So now what we have to do, visit this, customize your channel. So here is, welcome to YouTube Studio. This is a layout. I'll explain you later on about layout. So now what we do in branding. So in branding, when you go to shop, any market, you already see their shopkeeper. They fix some signboard, some banner all out of the shops. So that's like, here is our YouTube channel. So we have to branding and customize our YouTube brand channel. So you have to upload beautiful banner here, also profile picture, or also subscribe button here. So YouTube already mentioned size and pixel. So make a beautiful banner and upload here. In my case, I'm not uploading because this is a dummy channel. I just explain you how to brand your channel. First of all, upload your picture here, and after that here, it's a channel banner, and after that here, it's a subscribe button. Right? So after that, option will come publish, and click on publish. That's it. Second option is basic information. In basic information, write here your channel name, whatever you choose a channel name. So when you scroll down, this is a handle. Like in Twitter has given you a Twitter handle. So YouTube also launched just few months back handle. So you can make your handle or customize your handle here. So after that, descriptions. So this is not a video description. This is a channel description. So some keyword your channel, like so what you want to show your in your channel. So this is a description. So you can write here description in 1,000 words. If you don't know how to write a description, so just log in your Google and write here RYTR. This is the best AI tool for description, YouTube description. So here, when you visit this and start writing, login. That's it. Start writing. So now, in left corner, you get some option. Yes, English. No, we are prepping NK English, and here you will get option, many option, but now we have to write channel description. So here video channel description of YouTube. Click here. So now, like my channel name is Secrete. So what we have to write here, write channel or channel frame Secrete query niche YouTube tips and tricks. There. So he will ask you 2 or 3 variant. So mention a 3 variant. Done. Here is. So writer already give you 3 descriptions like welcome to Secrete inquiry, your unlimited destination for all things YouTube tips and tricks. So he is give us the proper description for our channel. So just copy and paste here. Is asking is too long, so what you will do, you can write here only the 1,000 word. So what do you do? I'm just showing you. You have to change. You have to some change heads. Done. And after that, here add link. Whatever you have social networking link, like you are on Facebook, in Twitter, even Instagram, you had all link here. You have to mention all link. It's a mandatory. And after that, just write your mail here. I'm not writing here mail, but you have to mention your mail, because if someone like your video and some promotional company will promote their product, then they can contact you through mail. So after publish, free and contact. So this setting already has been done. Now we have to come here in setting on left corner, click. In a general US dollar, it's right. Channel, select country. What we will select India, because we belong to India. Go here. You write show. Passport. India. Channel keywords. Again, we are going to Google and write here tag generator. First website will come. Just mark it. Website will come. This one, rapid text, right? So we click here and mention with channel niche, your keyword, channel keyword. Yes, in my YouTube tricks and tips here. Just copy and paste here and save. Again, we will go to this. This is a already we done. And after that, in advanced setting, you will get 3 options. If you are making a video for kids, then you have to click here. But many of people not making a, video for kids. So what we do, we have to click here only, on middle one. Okay, on middle one. And save it. Again in setting, channel, advanced setting, we done it. Feature eligibility. So in your case, first option already is enabled, but second other option is not enabled. So what we do, we click here, verify your phone number and email ID. This both will be enabled automatically. Done. So third one, go to upload default. So here's the load we have. Welcome. Welcome to Secrete queries.
No, get it to the automatic.
Query, right? First of all, right? And enter. And whatever you have any link on social networking, all you link, copy and paste here. URL link. You have a page at Facebook, copy URL and paste. Like you have a Twitter, paste. All your links you have to paste. And after that, when you upload a video, you have to mention more description according to your title. That's it. So your channel setting all done. Now your channel is ready and already SEO. Right? So this is how we can SEO our channel and which setting, what we have to fix it. That's all. So by tomorrow, I'll explain you tomorrow in video how to upload video and how to SEO video in YouTube. Thanks a lot. Hope you like this video. If you like, please share, comment and like. If you have any suggestion, you can ask in comment section, mention below. So, goodbye.